year after the launch of the Desmo450 MX, Ducati is introducing the factory version, which the Italian manufacturer says is designed for riders seeking a fully fledged motocross experience. The Desmo450 MX Factory is equipped with an Akrapovič titanium exhaust system and optimized engine management, resulting in reduced weight, -1.7 kilograms, increased power availability, and a smoother torque curve. The Showa suspension, featuring Dark Kashima coating on the front tubes and shock absorber housing, and TO coating on the shock absorber piston rods, enhances ride comfort and durability. The factory version comes standard with a launch assist system that compresses the front fork at launch, increasing stability and acceleration over the starting barrier. A Wi-Fi module allows for customization of riding modes via the X-Link app, where the rider can define all necessary parameters. The Desmo450 MX Factory engine uses the desmodromic valve mechanism found in all Ducati racing bikes, including the MotoGP Desmo450. The engine also delivers a very strong torque curve at low revs, providing improved acceleration when exiting corners. The engine has a maximum power of 63.5 horsepower and a maximum torque of 53.5 Nm. The rev limiter is set at 11,900 revolutions per minute. The front fork is fully adjustable with $49 million tubes and 310 mm travel. The rear shock absorber has 301 mm travel. Brembo brakes, 2-piston floating calipers at the front, single piston calipers at the rear. Galfa brake discs are 260 mm at the front and 240 mm at the rear. Drawing on MotoGP and Superbike experience, Ducati has integrated a true traction control system into the Desmo450 MX. Ducati Traction Control, DTC, adjusts the power cutoff according to the actual friction of the rear wheel and can be deactivated, for example, during jumps. The rider can also temporarily deactivate the system by pressing the clutch lever. There are 4 different levels of DTC. The electronic package also includes launch control and engine brake control, which can be adjusted via the X-Link app and combined in 2 riding modes. The transmission is equipped with a quick-shifting system. The Desmo450 MX Factory is available at select Ducati dealerships in the Ducati Course 2025 color scheme. Technology: Desmo450 single-cylinder engine, 449.6 cubic centimeters. 63.5 horsepower maximum power at 9,400 revolutions per minute, 39.5 ft-lb maximum torque at 7,500 revolutions per minute. Titanium Akrapovič full exhaust. Double girder aluminum frame. 9 US gallon, 7.2 liter, fuel tank. Showa 49 mm inverted cartridge forks, fully adjustable, 310 mm travel and Dark Kashima coating on the outer tube, superfine TO treatment on the fork legs. Showa brand, fully adjustable, high/low speed, monoshock suspension, 301 mm travel and 50 mm piston diameter. Dark Kashima coating on the suspension body and superfine TO treatment on the suspension shaft.